Hey there, I'm Marian the AI avatar. Let me ask you something. What if I told you that everything you've been told about getting customers is wrong? That you don't need to chase thousands of people, run endless ads, or hope and pray for customers to show up? Instead, imagine this. You could land the biggest, highest paying clients in your market, the ones who are already spending money, and you become their go-to choice. Sounds impossible? Well, let me tell you a story about a man named Chet Holmes. And a strategy so powerful that it took a company from dead last to number one in just a few years. This strategy has been used by Hollywood executives, Fortune 500 companies, and the biggest names in business. And today, I'm going to show you how you can use it too. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint to get massive attention, dominate your industry, and make sales without chasing customers. All right, ready? Let's dive in. So, let's rewind a bit. Chet Holmes was working for Charlie Munger, the legendary business partner of Warren Buffett. At the time, Chet was selling advertising for one of their magazines. And let me tell you, things were bad. They were ranked 15th out of 15 magazines in their industry, dead last. Chet was making sales calls every single day, but nothing was working. They had a database of 2,000 advertisers, but most of them weren't interested. That's when Chet had a breakthrough idea. Instead of trying to sell to everyone, he asked, who is already spending big money on advertising, but with our competitors? After some research, he discovered something insane. Out of those 2,000 advertisers, 167 companies were responsible for 95% of the advertising dollars in the industry. 167 out of 2,000. So what did Chet do? He stopped wasting time on the wrong people. Instead, he created a Dream 100 list, the 100 best, most ideal customers who were already spending money and could change his business overnight. But here's where it gets really interesting. Instead of just calling them once or sending a boring sales letter, Chet went all in. He sent them creative, unusual direct mail pieces every 2 weeks, things like lumpy envelopes, oversized packages, and letters so intriguing they had to be opened. Then, right after sending a package, he'd follow up with a phone call every 2 weeks for 4 months. And guess what happened? Nothing. Zero response. Most people would have quit. Would you? But Chet had what he called PhD, pig-headed discipline. And in the 4th month, something finally clicked. One of the biggest companies in the world, Xerox, picked up the phone and placed a massive ad buy. Boom! Then another deal, and another. By month 6, Chet had closed 28 of the 167 companies on his Dream 100 list. And with just those 28, he doubled the company's sales and went from last place to number 1. Not only that, but over the next 3 years, he landed all 167 companies and kept doubling sales year after year. All because of one simple shift. Stop chasing everyone and start relentlessly targeting the right people. Crazy, right? But wait, Chet didn't just use this strategy for selling ads. He even used it to break into Hollywood. See, Chet had written a screenplay called Emily's Song, and he wanted to sell it. Only problem? He had zero connections in the entertainment industry. Most people would just give up. But Chet thought, who are the biggest decision makers in Hollywood? So he grabbed a magazine that listed the 100 most powerful people in Hollywood, and that became his new Dream 100 list. He used the exact same process, sending personalized packages, following up relentlessly, staying in front of his Dream 100 until they couldn't ignore him. And guess what? A few months later, he got LeAnn Rimes to read the script, and that led to a meeting with Warner Brothers where his screenplay was officially purchased. From zero connections to a Hollywood deal, all because of the Dream 100. Now, if this strategy works for advertising sales in Hollywood, what do you think it could do for your business? Let's break it down. Alright, so how do you use the Dream 100? Here's a simple action plan. 1. Find your Dream 100. Who are the top buyers in your market? Who are they already spending money with? Who, if they became your customer, could transform your business? 2. Make yourself impossible to ignore. Send them personalized gifts, valuable content, or intriguing packages. Follow up consistently, not once, not twice, but over and over. Use multiple touchpoints, email, social media, direct mail, and calls. 3. Build relationships, not just sales. Focus on value first, not just pitching your product. Engage with their content, comment on their posts, send them helpful insights. Become a familiar name so when they need what you offer, you are the first call they make. 4. Stay relentless. Remember, Chet went 4 months before getting his first win. Most people give up way too early. Be pig-headed about your follow-ups. Do this right and you won't just get customers. You'll build a network of high-value clients, partners, and influencers that can take your business to another level. So hey, was this helpful? I guarantee there are people in your industry right now who could 10x your business, but you have to go after them the right way. So do me a favor. If this strategy made sense to you, hit that like button and drop a comment below saying Dream 100 so I know you're serious about it. And of course, subscribe if you want more deep dive business strategies like this. All right, go make your Dream 100 list and start getting big clients. See you in the next one.